Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of spending hours sweeping and mopping your hardwood floors, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot vacuums for hardwood floors in 2025. We've tested them all to find the most efficient, quiet, and smart options that will keep your floor spotless without lifting a finger. So, whether you want convenience, power, or smart features, stick around because we've got you covered. On number 1 is the Shark AI Ultra is a feature-rich robot vacuum with matrix clean grid navigation and 360 degrees LiDAR home mapping that systematically covers carpets and hard floors for thorough cleaning. It comes with an XL self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of debris with true HEPA filtration, reducing routine maintenance for busy households. Powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll make it effective for pet hair and everyday debris, and voice control via Alexa/Google Assistant adds hands-free convenience. In real-world use it cleans reliably with methodical passes, though some users report occasional navigation hiccups or app instability. Pros: deep cleaning navigation, strong suction, long self-empty interval, HEPA filtration, smart mapping, and voice/app control. Cons: can be noisy during emptying, the dock is bulky, and some users note mapping/app quirks in complex layouts. Compared with competitors like Roborock models, it offers excellent pet hair cleanup and easy self-emptying at a more accessible price, but may lack the most refined obstacle avoidance. Overall, it's a great choice for pet owners and busy homes seeking powerful, low-maintenance daily cleaning, though those needing the quietest operation or most advanced navigation might explore high-end alternatives first. On number 2 is the iRobot Roomba 692 is a budget-friendly robot vacuum with Wi-Fi connectivity, Alexa/Google voice control, and personalized cleaning recommendations via the iRobot Home app that makes scheduling and remote start easy. It uses a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes and adaptive sensors to clean hard floors and low-pile carpets, and it handles everyday pet hair and debris well for regular upkeep. The vacuum self-charges automatically and has a runtime of up to 90 minutes, returning to its dock when low on power. Real-world performance is reliable for smaller homes, though its random navigation pattern lacks advanced mapping, which can make cleaning take longer and miss spots. Pros: affordable, strong everyday suction, Wi-Fi/app scheduling, voice control, effective on hard floors and moderate pet hair. Cons: no room mapping or virtual no-go zones, smaller dustbin means frequent emptying, can get stuck on cords/thresholds. Compared with higher-end Roombas, e.g., models with self-empty or smart mapping, it's less feature-rich but much more accessible in price. Overall, it's a solid choice for first-time robot vacuum buyers or smaller homes needing basic, hands-off cleaning, but those needing advanced navigation or deep carpet cleaning might want to consider more advanced models. On number 3 is the Shark IQ RV2302AE is a self-emptying robot vacuum with 360 degrees LiDAR navigation and matrix clean mapping that methodically vacuums hard floors and carpets, great for daily upkeep. It offers powerful suction and a bagless base that collects debris for up to 60 days, significantly reducing manual emptying. Its LiDAR mapping and app control let you set schedules, targeted zones, and systematic cleaning patterns. In real-world use it performs well on pet hair and everyday messes, though occasional map boundary drift or app connectivity drops can occur. Pros: strong suction and pet hair pickup, accurate LiDAR mapping, long self-empty interval, customizable cleaning, and recharge and resume convenience. Cons: can be noisy, especially during emptying, battery life isn't the longest for large homes, virtual boundaries may drift, and app features are basic compared with premium rivals. Overall, it's a solid, hands-off vacuuming solution for busy households and pet owners who want good value without flagship pricing. On number 4 is the Samsung JetBot AI Plus VR50T95735W. Is a premium robot vacuum featuring Jet AI object recognition with a 3D sensor and LiDAR precision mapping to intelligently avoid everyday obstacles and create efficient cleaning paths. Its Clean Station self-emptying system hygienically disposes of dust and debris and traps fine particles with a comprehensive 5-layer HEPA-grade filtration. Real-world performance is strong on hard floors and light carpets with automatic power adjustment, though its 90-minute runtime and tall profile can limit coverage under low furniture. Compared with slick mapping and avoidance in rivals like Roborock, its object recognition is innovative but sometimes mislabels items and isn't perfect on carpets. Pros: smart object avoidance, accurate LiDAR mapping, hygienic self-empty station, advanced filtration, and SmartThings app control. Cons: premium price, relatively short runtime, bulky height that may miss low spaces, and some reported navigation/software quirks. Overall, it's great for tech-savvy users and busy homes with hard floors who want intelligent automation and minimal maintenance, but buyers prioritizing longer runtime or simpler operation might compare other high-end models first. On number 5 is the Dream D20 Plus is a powerful self-emptying robot vacuum and mop with up to 13,000 pascals Vormax suction and a 5L dust bag that can go up to 150 days between emptying, making it ideal for low-maintenance cleaning. It features Hyperstream detangling dual brush technology that picks up pet hair without tangling and smart Pathfinder navigation with fast LDS mapping for efficient coverage across hard floors and carpets. Real-world use shows strong suction and reliable mapping that lets you set zones and schedules via app and voice control, Alexa, Google, Siri. The integrated Vacuum Plus Mop combo handles everyday spills, though some users find the mopping more light maintenance than deep wash. Pros: very powerful suction, long hands-off self-emptying interval, excellent pet hair detangling, accurate mapping, and app/voice control. Cons: the dock footprint is large, mopping isn't as heavy-duty as some rivals, occasional navigation hiccups reported, and reliance on the app for full features. Compared with similar self-emptying robots, e.g., Shark AI Ultra, it offers higher suction and longer auto-empty intervals but a less polished obstacle avoidance system. Overall, it's a great value choice for busy homes with pets or mixed floors seeking powerful cleaning with minimal upkeep, though those wanting the most advanced mopping or A-level navigation might explore premium alternatives.